Go with the flow. Go with flowing. You're half Filipino, half Filipina. Omega! Guys, thank you so much for your warm support and warm welcome. For welcoming me with open arms and open legs. Ah! And because of that, we will have another reaction video. And I'm gonna bring the same friend. Just Liz na naman!
Oh my God.
And today we're going to react to BINI. Guys, I will not claim a die-hard fan, but because they're so popular, pati ako nadala na din sa mga, BINI mania. For example, nung sa Jollibee, nagko-collect din ako ng mga cards nila. Yung surprise.
Ako, hindi ko alam yun. Guys, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, nakatira po ako sa kuweba.
Pero dahil doon, una kasi yung bet ko talaga, bias. Yung bias ko talaga is si Colette. But dahil sa Jollibee card dati, naging bias ko na din si Gwen. Ang ganda niya sa card. She's giving face card value talaga.
Ako, in fairness, wala akong mga bias, pero bet ko yung red-haired girl.
Mga bet ka din, iba-iba din yung bet mo.
Diba? Pero hindi pa namin kilala ng bonggang-bongga.
Yes, guys. So this is really a genuine reaction. First time then. I've heard their song a lot of times, but I never had a chance to watch their full video. Yung mga clips. So, trust me when I say it's my first time to react to their latest video. Blink Twice. Akala ko Think Twice.
May pa-coaching ba? Blink Twice.
Okay, sige. Let's play the video over there.
Over here.
Oh my God.
But before that, huwag nating kalimutan.
Na supportahan ng BINI. Follow their YouTube channel, all their socials. And after that, you can follow me. Kasi nga, go with the flow. Go with Flowy.
Love it.
Let's do it now.
I so love it.
I'm so excited to react. Let's do this. Let's not think twice. Let's blink twice. Let's watch Blink Twice. Let's go. Hey. Fuzzy Heart Syndrome. Oh, I love the purple. It's my favorite color.
May checkahan, te.
Ang taray nila. Umaartista na sa mga acting workshop. Ay!
I heard you like confidence.
Woo!
Well, I've got a lot of it.
Ang ganda na. Level up sa mga styling girl.
Just don't be anonymous.
Wait.
Uy, sino to? Ang ganda. Opening line talaga si ate.
Guys, hindi po namin kilala.
Uy, sorry.
Promise. Kilala mo si Colette. Tsaka sino ba?
Actually, kilala ko lahat at one point kasi sa mga clips lang.
Oo, pero TikTok. For us to parang pakilala
kilala ko
for
si
that.
Aya, si Colette, si Gwen.
Tell us po, sino po ang mga...
Yung ka-look-alike ni Sarah Geronimo.
Ay, may ganun.
Oh, meron siya. Sige.
Pero if you can fill us in po sa mga names.
So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous.
Don't be anonymous.
I heard that you've been busy. Yeah, I heard it through the
Ito yung Sarah G.
Oh yeah, I see the resemblance.
Uy, LV earrings.
Ay, ganun.
No, nalala ko yung video ni Britney Spears dati na Do Something. Na talaga siya na she got a lawsuit. Kasi may Louis Vuitton na logo sa sa car niya or sa scene na yun. Yung interior something ng car.
Tapos hindi legit na Louis Vuitton. Ganun.
Legit siya, but they need permission or something. So I'm not sure about this earring. Sorry.
Ang OA. Advertisement na nga.
Diba?
Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it.
Ito si Aya.
Cause you know I'm running it.
Aya. Ooh, the editing is editing.
Flawless.
Like that-do. If you like me, blink twice.
Ay!
Sino yan?
Akala ko si Colette. Ito na! Colette! Wala lang.
We're fangirling. Hey, that's just your red hair, girl. I love her.
Connection.
Tsaka si ate girl
yan. Parang sa no?
Yan
si Gwen.
Bet ko yung red. At tsaka Tsaka yung short-haired. Yan.
May nalalaka
bet ko
sa
yan.
fashion niya.
Oo, parang si Aqua.
Sino
Alam
Aqua?
mo yung, I'm a Barbie girl.
Para
in
sa
a
Scooby-Doo
Barbie
din.
world. Yeah, Scooby-Doo din. Pero alam niyo yung Aqua, yung parang
Ano yung
video niya?
tita?
Oo, tita na talaga ako. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah.
Pero yung aesthetic nila, Louis Vuitton din, girl. Baka ano sila, no?
ganon.
Authorized.
Baka endorser?
Oo, diba? Dapat lang. Baka, Britney Spears
Or
sila
baka
dahil.
naman pwede in the future. Uy,
Uy,
ang ganda, ang ganda. O, sino to?
The red hair.
Sabi ko na nga
Anong
ba,
name ni
yung
Red
bias
Hair?
ko talaga is biasing me all through and through.
So, siya yung parang rapper ng group nila, no?
Pero bet ko yung boses niya manglalim kasi parang si Ken ng SB19.
Ng SB19. Ship na ba?
Hindi. Ay, ako lang. Joke lang.
Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you
Ay, si
better
Mika ba
amaze
to?
me. I'm at this
Gwen!
spot, baby, tell me, are you
love it.
ready or
Wow.
not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside you.
Collect!
You got that symphony.
Bisaya, te.
Oh, from Bukol.
If you like me playing twice, are you naughty or nice?
Kasi Sarah G look alike daw.
Akala ko mahaba hair nun.
Give you some advice.
Dati
If you
siguro.
like me blink twice, he's not even
Ay, the transition. Yan. Nakita mo yun?
maybe he's just looking at me. If you twice, if you
Anong nahanap sa extra niya? Mayroong message ba doon?
just looking at me. If you really like me, baby,
Balik sa
then maybe he's just looking at me. Got me going crazy,
Hala.
baby, no, don't be lazy.
Ang ganda.
Ano yun? Yung may mga mata-mata.
Baby, he's just looking at me. Got me going crazy,
Ay, oo,
baby, no,
yung
don't be
ganun,
lazy.
may mata
Come
din.
over and
Oh, ang
chase me,
galing,
yeah, you better
galing ng
amaze me.
ano.
Oh, isang...
At this spot, baby, tell me, are you
Alam niyo yung
ready or not?
sinasabi niya? Di ba? Ito,
If you like me, blink twice.
naka-focus, di ba?
Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you tryna roll the dice.
Kita niyo yun? Oh, di ba? Parang naka-magnify yung eyes niya. Tapos ito, ang galing ni ate girl. Eyes,
Yun pala,
eyes talaga.
oh.
Di ba? Naka-magnify. Tapos ito, eyes. Ba't puro eyes?
Crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come
Kasi
over
blink
and chase
twice
me,
na.
yeah, you better
Correct.
amaze me. I'm at this spot, baby, tell me,
Go,
are you
Gwen.
ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside
Ganda
your
din yan,
world. You
no?
got
Oh,
that
siya talaga yung first love ko.
like that. If you like me blink twice, are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little
Si
spice.
Sarah
if you
Dion,
tryna
no?
roll the dice.
Hindi
Let
talaga.
me give you some advice. If you like me blink twice,
Wow.
he's not
Cute.
even
Cute.
thinking of me.
Ka. So sexy kasi.
Maybe he's just looking at me. If you really like me, baby, then just
Anong
blink
sabi niya?
twice. If you
Anong sabi nun sa message? Dapat may mga
Wala
mga
sabi.
Easter egg yan.
Ay, meron ganon.
May mga ganong video sa ganon. Boss!
Ay, hindi makita. Ay, okay.
Ninyo, so si Aya to, Bini Aya.
Okay.
Fuzzy Heart Syndrome Extra. Yung result niya pala. May namataang fuzzy heart.
really like me, then you gotta roll the dice.
Error yun sa kanya, error.
Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little
Bakit
spice if
error
you're
sa
tryna roll the
kanya?
dice. Let me give you some
Hala.
advice.
If you like me,
Yan
blink
na.
twice. He's not even thinking.
Ay, teka muna. Parang sa Power Ranger na ano,
Asan?
yung may ano ba, may malaking tube sa gitna.
Sige na nga. Parang ano, hindi ko maalala yun, ate, tita.
Na-karma na. Ito ba yung nasa gitna?
Naka-rest box si ate girl.
tsaka
Tita,
na.
hindi ko alam
Basta
yan.
it's giving Power Ranger inspo.
Bolt in, ganun.
Wala kayong TV dati siguro.
He's not even thinking about me.
Ate, isa lang tanong ko, ba't ang gaganda?
Ang lamig din sa mata nila, no? With all the
The
pastel colors.
But really, they're so blooming. No?
Because
Anong
ang
kinakain?
fandom nila ay blooms.
Pero, yung tanong ko, anong kinakain? Para
I
ma-share
think it
naman.
comes with inner happiness after all the success they've experienced, diba?
My
Level up, gumaganda, mas naging blooming ang Bini.
Oh my God, you have so very good points.
Dapat yung mga blooms yung Bini. No.
I love like, oh my God, kita mo yun? Yung parang nasa mata sila.
Oo nga, pati yung monitor nga ugis mata din.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Ang dami na nag-blink-blink siya. Yan, mata na naman. Hala, gumalaw. Oh, the Bloom logo.
Bloom logo.
Yeah,
Hindi
flower.
ko alam. But I bet like the eye kind of thing eh.
I mean, the flower, the petal.
I bet ko yan si ate girl na red hair.
Tapos na?
Oh, I love this like, ito, yung parang pang nasa
Ang
mata
dali pala.
sila, di ba? Yung parang may, nakaganon sila sa mata. So, meaning talagang,
I
it was
imagine
made.
that the theme sa stage nila kung mag-perform sa it's all about eyes. Aesthetic.
Ako, eyes,
Pero
ang laki ng mata ko.
nabitin ako kasi parang walang dance break, no?
Oo, but I love that they're showing their aesthetics, their glow up, everything. Parang
Ako kasi
for
it's my
me,
first,
nag-glow
please
up
forgive
sila.
me, it's my first time to watch a Bini video in full. So guys, I will not watch any videos after this. I need your suggestions. Sa lahat ng mga music videos ng Bini, saan ako magsisimula? Ano ang next kong papanoorin?
Magsimula ka sa sinugdanan.
Diba? My God, grabe, iba na talaga ang This is
P-pop, no?
parang expensive ang video. Aminin.
Yeah, of
May
course.
budget ng marami.
Yung editing, yung mga true
Diba,
Vanessas.
international level na siya, no?
Oo.
May panglaban, pang Billboard Hot 100 USA.
Hindi lang top 10 lang talaga.
Paano ba mag-vote doon? Wala bang Blink
bang
twice o
voting?
2366? Nabuta mo pa yun, girl?
Hindi ko
Mag-vote
alam.
kayo sa
Oh my God.
mixed charts
Oh,
dati.
alam ko yun. Like, wala ka ba? Ano ba yun?
250 pesos.
Yung commercial nun nga. Are you bored? Wala ka na bang ginagawa? Ba't hindi mo angatin ang telepono? At tawagan kami.
Sino yan, oy?
Oh my God, I'm so old. Guys, for those of you who can relate, tell
Ano
us
yan?
po. Ba't hindi nyo angatin ang telepono at tawagan kami?
Sino nga
MTV yun!
Tagalog pala sila? MTV?
Di ba may MTV Philippines kaya?
Okay, MTV Philippines. Salon.
Ba't hindi nyo kaya angatin ang telepono at tawagan kami? Oh my God, my Bisaya is so showing.
Speaking of Bisaya, my God, we're proud of a couple of them from Bohol and Cebu. Sino ba?
Kulat lang alam ko eh.
Kulat at si Aya. Hindi nga si Aya.
Hindi ko alam.
My
Ikaw
God,
lang
hala,
nakakaalam.
nakalimutan namin guys. Oh my God, yung mukha ko lang, oh my God. I forgive.
Yung mukha niya lang ang natatandaan
Mukha ko
niya.
lang, Bini Flowy.
Half Filipino.
Pero at one point talaga, kilala ko sa lahat, half Filipina, charot.
Charot.
Pero yung yung bewang talaga ng Bini, gusto kong achievein.
Oh my God. You're giving K-drama aesthetics. K-pop aesthetics.
Pero aminin nung dalaga pa tayo, yun din yung,
Oh my God. Dalaga pa naman din ako ngayon. Tsaka
Oo nga
ikaw.
pala.
Dalaga pa naman tayo.
Engaged daw kami, oy, charot.
Wala akong engaged. Ang liit kaya babastirin ko na lang.
But overall, I like the video. It's very, poppy. Good vibes. What else? What can you
It's
say?
it's very like, parang recall. Parang ang dali tandaan kasi parang LSS ka. Anong tawag nun? Last
Sang
song
part ka.
syndrome.
Oo, sang part ka nag-asa.
He's not even looking at me.
Ano pa yung isang
If you wanna blink twice.
Are you naughty or nice?
Oh, yun!
Diba, simple
Love
lyrics
it!
lang, but may talaga, may tatak.
Oo, may parang recall. May recall.
Tsaka siya, full English song na wala mga Tagalog medyo, or meron pang, hindi mo napansin.
Parang walang Tagalog, guys, no? I love that they're also doing this.
Because it's for the international market.
Tumpak.
A material for the Grammys. Wow, Grammys
Oh
talaga.
my God, pero siguro,
Wish ko talaga yan noon na may isang Pinoy artist na magka-major award ng international.
No matter how, honest to
Grammy,
goodness, here's my
VMA.
sentiments toward those type of things. No matter how good Filipino artists are, I think hindi pa po talaga accepted yung Asian artists na mag-dominate worldwide.
Hopeful.
And
nga.
it's sad, yes.
But
But
somehow,
may discrimination kasi talaga eh.
How about yung Blackpink, naka-penetrate na sa dandahan like yung solo projects
But
nila?
naka-Grammys ba sila? Ganun. Hindi ko alam
Like,
You
especially
have
yung
to
yung
forgive
collaboration
us.
with Bruno Mars, diba? Si
Pero they
Rosie.
have to collaborate with like,
Actually, it's a stepping stone, little by little, guys.
Pero
So,
nag-perform lang naman sila doon.
Wala
si
pang
Bruno Mars
nomination.
lang yung si Bruno Mars ata tsaka Lady Gaga at nakapanalo ng whatever eh.
basta, iba din yung
Pero
ano,
I really wish nga there's going to be a time na ma-acknowledge din naman yung
yes, and I
talentong.
wish it's Disney. They're very deserving.
Yeah, oh my
Very
God.
promising young talent.
So
they're-
guys, wag po natin nakakalimutan continuously for i-promote natin tong mga
Yes,
to.
keep on blooming ang career at ang suporta para international level na ang ating mga idolo.
Oo, tsaka i-request nila sa mga reactors, di po ba?
Na ano?
Na i-react continuously sina Bini. Di ba? Especially
Oo
those who are
naman.
international, like not Filipinos reactors, para talagang buong mundo na makakilala sa kanila. Kasi
Oo
yun
nga,
lang po
makakatulong
talaga.
din yun, diba?
Oo,
So guys, we had nabitin ako ha, ang ikli lang.
you're
I was
nice.
expecting a dance break, but I'm sure, ano ba? Comment down below if what do you
Should we
think
watch the dance
is the
practice?
best, the dance practice. Maybe we'll react to that. Comment lang, guys. I'm still new about reaction videos. Thank you so much for watching, for supporting me. For the bashers, thank you na din. I will accept your criticism for my betterment. Because I will think twice before I blink twice. Diba? Reading your comments kasi makakatulong din yan sa amin.
True.
Sa akin lang pala kasi galing ng Chesliz.
Oh my God, hindi. Nobody's perfect.
So guys, thank you for going with the flow and going with Flowy. You're half Filipino, half Filipina. Mega! Stay tuned for more reaction videos. Bye! If you like it, think twice. Are you naughty or not?